Oppo naman tayo guys. Check natin yung mga prices ngayon ng Oppo, the A series and the Reno 30 AI series 5G phones. So let's check first the Oppo A series. As of June 1, the current price of the Oppo A60 is only retail price nila is 9,999. For the Oppo A3X, ito yung pinaka-best seller na phone sa Oppo, both online and offline. So the current price now as of June 1 sa SMC side Cebu, 4,699 na lang siya from 5,499 with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes yung internal storage. Depende sa specification. They also have 5,999 from 6,999. This is the front, the side bezel, and the back. Ito yung pinaka-best seller talaga nila na phone. Napaka-affordable kasi. Ayan, malapit ng pasukan sa mga estudyante, naghahanap ng mga phones na gagamitin nila for their school, naghahanap ng mga panregalo. I-try nyo tong Oppo A3X. Maganda yung specification for its price. So, I think let's check the main camera para makita nyo. So, ito yung kuha guys, the main camera. Pilang megapixel sa main camera ni Miss? 50. Ang selfie camera, main camera, 8 megapixel. So, ito yung kuha, guys. Okay. Magaan siya, in fairness. Ito yung so, this is the result. Ito yung kuha ng camera. Malinaw naman siya. Malinaw naman siya guys. Napaka-affordable pa. So, we will check the front cam.